Hello friends, how are you all? Now I am going to learn about how to copy-paste data row to columns in Microsoft Excel. Let's go start. I want to teach you how to paste data from row to column in Excel. This is just for those who don't know. Others can ignore it if they want. First, open Excel and select the row data. Then right-click on an empty cell to copy and paste and press Transpose T to paste the column from row. If not, then you need to understand that there is a problem with the data. Then you need to convert the data to text to columns. Then, to copy and paste the data to the converter, select the data in row. Go text to columns. Select fixed width. Fields are aligned in columns with spaces between each field. Option. Then press Next button. Convert text to columns wizard. Step 2 of 3 box, showing data in columns. Then press Next button. Convert text to columns wizard. Step 3 of 3 box. Select column data format, General Options, and press Finish button. Now data converts cell to column easily. Right-click on an empty cell and press Transpose T to paste the column from row. Now done this work.